Hello everyone, welcome back to Coco and Mini. Today Coco and Mini are going to try some yummy teas and coffees. We have got this company called Tea Trove. Tea Trove is a company based in Kolkata, and this company gets you tea and coffee directly from the tea and coffee cultivators.
Yes, Coco, they've given this 8-cup chai twist with different flavors in their tea, and not to forget the coffee.
Yes, they have variety of flavors in tea and coffee. In tea, they have black tea, white tea, green tea, oolong tea, the typical Ayurvedic feeling.
And the coffee flavors are just never ending. I didn't know that a tea company would also be producing so many flavors in coffee. So we can't just wait to try the different flavors in tea for Coco and coffee for me.
So let's see what Tea Trove has in store for Coco and Mini. Tea Trove has a variety of teas. Today I'm going to try their Punjabi Masala tea. This Punjabi Masala tea is a black tea. It is for all tea lovers who like their chai strong. A strong spiced tea. This is a Assam CTC black tea blended with strong spices for a warming chai. You can also add hot milk to this chai. The Punjabi Masala tea is a low caffeine tea. It includes ginger, cardamom, clove, black pepper, cinnamon, all the favorite spices. So I am going to try how this Punjabi Masala tea is going to taste. This Punjabi Masala tea is a must try. It is a perfect chai for masala chai lovers. I love my chai to be spiced and added with a lot of flavors, and this is a perfect tea. So do try this Punjabi Masala tea from Tea Trove.
Trying the Arabian Kahwa green coffee from the Tea Trove. So this green coffee is made from premium Arabica coffee greens added with cardamom, saffron, ginger and cloves. This also contains vitamin E. The caffeine level is quite low in this coffee. I would recommend having this coffee after breakfast or after lunch. Do not add milk to the coffee, just have it as your black coffee. You could add honey or sugar. Well, I've added some brown sugar to it. Well, you must try this Arabian Kahwa coffee from Tea Trove.
Have you ever tried tea on the rocks? If not, this is the best option from Tea Trove. The whiskey tea. It's a whiskey black tea. The only whiskey that will never ever get you high. You can add some lemon to this to make it even more tastier. This is a black tea with medium caffeine and with a natural whiskey flavor. So guys, do try this tea. It's the best tea I could have ever found out.
So this is a super pre and probiotic coffee from Tea Trove. Coffee is really nice for energizing your body. It's a great immunity booster. It is a complete coffee for health and wellness. You can have this as a hot latte, a cold frappe or just your plain black coffee. Well, I've had it in the plain black coffee form today. It's giving you a rich aromatic coffee experience.
We had a great experience today trying different types of teas and coffees from Tea Trove.
Yes, it's totally been an undiscovered experience discovering so many varieties in tea and coffee from Tea Trove.
Signing off for now from Coco and Mini.
See you soon.